Get that fucking beaver out the way!
Yeah, he's done. That's good boy.
XJR-15. You gotta love it, dude. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna make the turn. Oh, he's gonna make the turn. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. You got it? You got it? Yeah.
And here we have the F40. Yes. Yes. Look at this. Yes.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Okay, now we're dog spotting now.
Oh, that is so adorable. He's got water.
And here we have a Wyra Roadster with the Pagani Zonda 5 spec. Very nice color combination. Now, this is quite special. We don't see these in America. It even has the European plate. GT40.
Wish you a great day.
Black Ferrari Enzo. A white LaFerrari, very nice. I've seen this car last year at the Monterey Car Week.
The race car.
Oh, that's the GT40 leaving. Oh, look at this. Dogs and Senna. We got the Enzo and the LaFerrari leaving too.
Hey, we need everybody back, please. We gotta get.
We got all the people around the LaFerrari.
yeah.
That's a really good backdrop for this car. Actually, all these cars. Pretty cool.